controlling how much you see in your section. Hi, I'm Jonathan Fulger. I just had a question from somebody. They posted a comment on my YouTube channel. They want to have a situation like this, but they want to control how far back the section goes. So, for example, they want to see the cabinets, but they don't want to see the front door here. Here it is. Here's my section. So they want to see these cabinets, but they really want to stop the section line about here so that they don't see those objects beyond. So let's go through the steps that we need to look at. So I've got my section viewport selected. Make sure you've got extents beyond section plane zone or extents beyond cut plane zone. You turn that off and update, you'll notice that everything's disappeared. We've just lost everything beyond. So that's not what we want. We want to control that. So let's have a look. Down here, advanced properties, extents, the length range limited by section line, that's fine. The height range, infinite, that's fine. But this one here, extents beyond cut plane. So let's set that to 20 feet. Okay, that. Let's update our section view. And you can see the front door's now missing. So we've cut it back to a certain point. Now, if I select the section, you can actually see the dotted line representing the depths cut back. So if I bring it back to here, and then let's update the section again, it doesn't change, but you can see it's still limiting how much we see. If we make this go all the way to here, and we update the section, we should see the front door again. There it is, there's the front door. So this dragging this control line here, this will do it for you, and this will allow you to control exactly how much you see in that new zone. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a member of my channel. You'll get a lot more information.